Okay, good morning, children. I hope you all will be fine with the members of your family. Today we are going to learn Rihanna B's resolve, firm decision. Okay, so in this chapter, which begins with four pictures at the beginning. Okay, like temple is there, Gurudwara, church, and mosque. So, through these pictures only, we can come to know that yes, we are going to learn about secularism or unity in diversity. In the next picture, you can see a lady, and she is no one else but Rihanna B. Okay, and she is ironing the clothes, and she is working hard actually because she has developed a determination, or she has taken a determination to provide good food and clothes to her three children for the upcoming festival. So she is working hard day and night. She has decided to go to 10 number wali bhabhi and 17 number and 5वें mahale wale bhaiya to ask for bakshish or extra money so that she can fulfill her desire for the children. Now she has grown old. Okay, in this picture you can see she has grown old, and because of this hard work and all, she gets tired at night. Her shoulder starts paining and there is swelling in her legs, but still she is determined. She is trying her level best to provide good food and clothes for these children. Actually, there was a fire there. Got a fire in a firecracker shop, and her husband died with her children, and she adopted the neighbors' children, those who are also died in this accident, like Rajni's son Ashish, Victor's son David, and Simran's daughter Jaspreet. So uh, through this name, you must have come to know that they are belonging to different religion. Okay, but she does not care for that, and this is the real duty that a human should do. It is not that we are worshipping the God the whole day and we are having ill will for the other religion. This is not going to work, because each religion is superior, no one is inferior. But what is superior to the religion itself is the human work, is the work to the humanity. If you don't worship any god, but you are doing human work, it means that you are really worshipping the God, because God loves humanity and the work to humanity. Okay, so I hope you must have understood that through this lesson we are getting this moral that we should respect each and every religion. We don't think, no, I am Hindu, so my religion is superior to others. No, this is actually not. If it is religion word itself is very pure. It is very impartial. Okay, na? Okay, dear. So, whatever religion we are following, we should respect that, and we should have respect for the other religion also. That's why we are kept under the religion, so that we can avail the humanity. If we are following the religion and we are not having respect for the others, it means we are not following the religion. Got it? We are not following the religion, we are following the ill temperament. And religion has nothing to do with the ill temperament. Got it? So I hope you must have understood this chapter. And after this chapter, along with this chapter, this chapter is going to in form of the video, and along with the video we'll have question answer with the assignment. Try to learn the answers, because your graded subject exams are upcoming. Be prepared for that, and all the best, and thank you.